fizzling out a little bit yesterday, not that much, finding support here now. We've got the daily longs. Remember now we got the bullish engulfing, the hammer candle, we've hit the first target. Hi everyone, welcome back to another trading day. It's Tuesday, 17 September 2024. Today I'll be trading long on the euro, the pound and the yen, and short on the CAD, the US and the New Zealand. Take off with the dollar index breaking thoroughly through this triangle now, which we've identified earlier last week, and showing us continuation. However, we're right at support level here. You can see in the history structure coming in there, the level that we actually missed a few times, now getting tested, so we will get natural support here. So the chances are that we will see a bounce back to retest this rising trend line, this rising triangle line, but it could also drop straight. So I am still short bearish on the US, and that's it. I'll stay short on the dollar. So a retest possible, but I guess we're going to see this level coming up next. They want to bring down interest rates on Wednesday night, tomorrow night in the FOMC meeting. For that we need a weaker dollar, so I think they will keep devaluating the dollar, and this is the next stop which I'm after. Although we could find support here. We then look at gold. Gold fizzling out a little bit yesterday, not that much, finding support here now. We've got the daily longs. Remember now we got the bullish engulfing, the hammer candle, we've hit the first target. Natural resistance coming in, that was the 1.27 of this last daily swing. I deleted that now, but that's a natural resistance at 25.75. I took some targets, and the balance of my trade, I'm going to go for the 26.30, 29, around about there. That is the 1.618 firm. Other than that, if it starts to retrace, I'll definitely look at this area here between 50 and 60% level, right at structure here, which is also the daily levels. So both confirming each other. Dollar weakening was in the neutral zone, now turning red. So definitely looking for longs here. Don't have anything else I will do. Maybe tonight after 4 o'clock, if I start to see a decent consolidation, I might look at the breakout. But at this stage, it's not a consolidation. I will not trade the breakout until at least tonight after 4 o'clock on the chart times here. But other than that, let's hope that our final position can fly to target for us today. Bitcoin under pressure yesterday yet again, trend changing, bouncing last night a little bit, but I can't say that much. Hopefully we get some shoulder, head, maybe a right shoulder coming in here. That would help us then to draw a neckline. We will have to see. Rest of the cryptocurrencies also a little bit under pressure. Some of them are doing quite well on the bullish side of things. I see XRP finding a bit, and I'm watching a few, but at this stage I don't really see something I could really enter for today. So I won't do that much on cryptocurrencies today. You know, the pound yen, beautiful trade. We shorted that up there. We came back down yesterday morning. I said to you, I need the target. I got the target, and I'm out of this trade at a very nice risk reward. If you look at the risk there, it was roughly 80 to 90 pips, and it has made it about a 200 pips. So it's just more than 1 to 2 risk reward. If you risk 1% of your portfolio, you were making 2%, and then bounce straight after that. So lovely trade now closed at a very nice profit. Before we continue, thank you for today's sponsor again, Incasu. When your business needs a reporting platform to improve the quality and speed of making decisions, consider Insight BI, a seamless add-on for reporting and business intelligence. Insight BI is an all-in-one, cloud-based 24/7 reporting solution. For more info, check out the link in the description. And the New Zealand yen unfortunately couldn't go through to the target levels here. I can now pull stop loss to entry for that matter, and get an average entry there and say, right, let's pull stop loss to entry that I don't lose money at least. But this, I should have exited once I saw a new low and a hammer candle, but I didn't. So I was hoping that it would come down further. New Zealand was quite weak and the yen is quite strong, so I didn't want to stuff it up unnecessary, but apparently I did. But we had the euro yen short yesterday morning. We hit the target there. Then we had the pound yen short, and we took the target yesterday afternoon there. So both beautiful trades, giving me more than 1 to 2 risk reward. You risk 1% on each one of them, you gained 4% between the two. 4% portfolio growth is a stunning growth in 2 days. So this one, let's see what happens here. I won't lose money now. I will just pull my stop loss to entry. I'll look at my average entry there because I got the halfway mark there. and I've got this close here, so I'll just put it a little bit out of the way there, but make sure that I don't lose money here. If it then goes back, I still have the other 4% in the bank, so that's very, very nice. In the US CAD, we dabbled on the breakout, we got the retest, but no real strong candle reversal. The candle reversal was there. You can see this is a piercing line. The problem was it was still closing below the resistance line, which I didn't like. So I didn't add to the trade. So I'm going to stick with the original little entry there. Trail stop loss now from whatever you've done on these lows. It's going to be a pip or two, but a pip is a pip. Trail it there, 10 to 15 pips below that low. So let's see what happens on this. But for now, there's not much we can do. Dollar weakening, so I'm losing a little bit of faith in this trade. But anything is possible in the market, and let's see what happens. Not a full position, it's only a breakout, so I never got the retest and a candle reversal, so it's not a big train smash if this goes back down. In the Euro US, Euro green zone, dollar red zone, definitely not last directional swing, brand new trend. On my mentoring program, we've got stunning longs here on an end of day chart. We added twice to that trade, so we're looking good there, and I'm smiling. But nonetheless, here the retracement between 50 and 61% right at structure there. If I can get a counter reversal there, I'll definitely consider some longs on a brand new trend here. Pound, similar scenario, directional swing, retracement back to the 50-61% level right at structure. Look at pound, green zone, dollar red zone. Definitely want to be long here, just waiting for that retracement. Aussie CAD, nice swing up the page. Aussie neutral, I'm not after that, but the CAD, bottom of the pile, I want to be short there. Now, by going long here, that gives me the short on the CAD, and that's what I'm after. So the retracement back to the 50-61% level. Look at structure coming in there. Brand new trend, so I'm definitely into this, but I'm not going to chase it up there. We'll right at resistance there. All I need is some form of retracement. I'm not saying it will retrace. If it retraces back to this level, nice candle reversal, I'll then take some longs. And two of them a little bit way off for entries today, but anything possible. I keep these things on my watch list. The pound CAD, pound green zone, CAD red zone. So I want to be short on the CAD and long on the pound. So going long here will give me that. However, last big swing, retracement back to 50% level, structure there and there. That's what I'm after. I'm not going to buy it in that open space up there. I need this to come back, retest, and then let the bulls prove themselves. Euro CAD, similar scenario, big swing up the page, Euro green zone, CAD red zone. Again, you can see the CAD is the theme for shorts. Now I need a retracement. Back to the 50-61% level, structure coming in there. So once I get a retracement back down there, I look for some candle reversals, bulls proving themselves, and then I'll enter some longs. But guys, trading isn't just about my insights. Please fill up the comments below this video. You can support this channel by checking out all the links in the description. Thank you for joining me today on this trading journey. Remember that trading carries risk, so don't forget to trade responsibly and never trade with money you cannot afford to lose. I can't wait to see my next video. Until then, trade well.